Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this real easy, super easy pink and purple eye look. Has a little touch of glitter in the middle. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Subscribe below, click that button so you can join the Z fam, and don't forget to follow me on social media at zakaila.savage. Without further ado, let's just jump into today's video. I dipped into that hot pink shade and I'm just going to start by packing because I have the wet concealer that I used to set my eye, so I don't want to start rubbing or that could severely mess it up. That could help make it blend patchy, so I really want to just pack on the color and about the shape I want it to be. I'm basically just laying a base like this and then I can blend once there's the pink there, but I want to make sure I set that concealer with this pink eyeshadow first, if that makes sense, and then I can go ahead and blend. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this dark purple and putting it right on the outer corner in the crease and then blending that, and that's going to be the only two eyeshadows I use pretty much. So I'm just going to blend that into the crease like normal. I'm not bringing the purple all the way in, just about to right here in my inner corner, not all the way down. So again, I'm just kind of placing right now, and then once it's as dark as I want, I'm going to start blending this down into the outer corner like this. Okay, now I'm just going to take some concealer and cut the crease. I'm just going in with some glitter. I'm just using my brush to apply the smaller glitter to the lid to the concealer, and it's just sticking to that right now. And then I'll go in with the bigger chunks of it in a minute. And I just went in with this chunky glitter from Jazzy Glitter. I'm going to try to blend the purple into the glitter very lightly without messing it up. Okay, so now I'm going to go finish my face makeup and then I will be right back. Okay, now that my face is on, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes. Taking that same pink color and putting it all over under my eye, blurring it out a lot. And now I'm taking this little pointed pencil brush and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corners of my lower lash line. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to finish up my eyes and put on highlight. Oh, actually, before I do that, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl mascara. Okay, and now to finish off my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my eyes with my Laura Geller Gilded Honey. You guys know I've been obsessed with this. Okay, and to finish off this look, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Cocoa x Kylie Cosmetics collection. This is in the shade Gloss. It's just nudie liquid lipstick. And I've been loving gloss lately, so I'm just going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Gloss. I don't know what shade this is in, just say somewhere. Oh, and it's in the shade Barely Nude. I'm just gonna put that right on top. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating this look. It was something not too crazy for me. It looks like there's a lot going on, but really I only used like 2 eyeshadows. So yeah, I like how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It means a lot. Don't forget to subscribe below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.